Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a semi-healthy recipe of how to make banana chocolate muffins. They're extremely decadent, yummy, but also a hint of being healthy because they're whole wheat flour and oat wheat flour muffins. So I'm starting by taking 4 ripe bananas. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you and I hope you like my videos. Do give them a try and comment in the section below to let me know how they turned out. Now we need to mash up these bananas. This is essentially a one bowl recipe, so it's extremely easy to make. You don't need any fancy ingredients. I think most of you have all this at home. I've used leftover bananas, and you don't need any fancy equipment like a hand blender. You can use a fork or whisk, whatever is available to you. I'm adding some brown sugar or demerara sugar. An option for this is also white sugar or a blend of white and brown sugar. I chose brown sugar. Now I'm just adding in 2 whole eggs. Ensure that these eggs are at room temperature. Because it's a one bowl mixture, we need everything at room temperature to ensure everything can get mixed well and there are no lumps. I've moved on to the whisk because it will just get easier to mix this part of the batter. Now I'm adding in some melted butter. Again, this should be at room temperature. I'm sifting in oats flour, whole wheat flour and good quality cocoa powder, as well as some baking powder and baking soda. Please ensure your cocoa powder is of good quality because we're depending on that for the decadency of the chocolate muffin. Oats flour, I've just simply ground some rolled oats, the normal oats that we have for breakfast. I've just made that into some flour and used that. So again, you don't have to buy any special oats for this. Now I'm gently folding this in. And then I'm being slightly, you can go fast with this as well. Just ensure you do it gently in the beginning. You do not want any flour to fly out of the bowl. It happens, it's normal. It happens with everybody. I've added some vanilla essence here. And I've added milk at room temperature. The reason I've added milk is because we're not making this batter with maida or refined flour. I've used, since whole wheat flour and oats flour is a bit more heavy, it needs this kind of lubrication. Hence I've used a little bit of milk to get the batter to the right consistency. Now I'm going to add some chocolate that I've just chopped into. This is dark chocolate. You can add chocolate chips. You can add any form of chocolate. And just add as much as you like, because this is one ingredient that doesn't really require a measurement. So add as you prefer. I'm using an ice cream scoop to just put this into the mold, which is just easy because it comes into equal measurement and is less messy. I'm putting this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees centigrade for about 15 minutes. What I'd advise you is to let it be for 15 minutes and then poke a toothpick in to see that it comes out clean. It can have chocolate residue on it, that's absolutely fine, that comes out of the melted chocolate. But if it comes out clean with no crumbs on it, that means it's cooked through. And here you go. Absolutely delicious, mouth-watering chocolate banana muffins. And as you can see, we've used heavier flour, we've used healthier flour, and it does not compromise on the softness or it being moist, or it does not compromise the quality of the muffin at all. As you can see, this is absolutely soft and something you can dive your teeth right into. So here we are, semi-healthy banana chocolate muffins. I hope you do give this a try at home. Please like my video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Do comment in the section below and let me know how it is. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.